I've created a variety of videos that walk through examples of C code to help learners better understand the language. In the following example, I show how to format printf. When you run the program, you'll see the word right pushed to the right side of a 15-character space, and left aligned to the left side of its space. This line tells the compiler to include the standard input-output library, which provides functions like printf for displaying output to the screen. This defines the main function, which is the starting point of every C program. Int means the function returns an integer to the operating system. Void means it does not take any arguments. The curly braces enclose the body of the main function. All the code inside these braces is what the program will execute when it runs. %15s is a format specifier that tells printf to print the string right justified in a field that is 15 characters wide. Right\n is the string being printed. The \n adds a new line after the word right. %-15s is similar, but the minus sign tells printf to left justify the string in the 15-character field. Left is printed at the end and the \n creates a new line. Missing from this code is return 0 semicolon. This tells the operating system that the program has finished successfully. Returning 0 is a standard way to indicate that everything ran without errors. Now, let's have a look at the execution of this program.